Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might need to transfer assets between exchanges. Today, I'm walking you through how to send Avalanche from Gemini to Uphold. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your funds secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Uphold. If you haven't already, verify your identities and enable two-factor authentication for added security. It's a must in the crypto space these days. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Navigate to your wallet section and find your Avalanche address. This is crucial because you'll need this unique address to receive the funds. Copy it carefully to avoid any typos, as that could send your Avalanche to the wrong place. Next, head over to Gemini. Log in with your credentials and go to the dashboard. Locate your Avalanche balance. Gemini makes this easy with their user-friendly interface. Once you're there, select the Withdraw option for Avalanche. Now, paste the Uphold Avalanche address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to send, but don't forget to check the network fees. In 2025, Avalanche transactions are typically fast and cheap, but fees can vary based on network congestion. Review the details, and if everything looks good, hit Confirm. After confirmation, Gemini will process the withdrawal. This usually takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on your Uphold account for the incoming transaction. Once it arrives, you'll see your Avalanche balance update, success. A quick tip. Always use the Avalanche C-chain for these transfers to ensure compatibility. And remember, crypto isn't without risks, so only transfer what you're comfortable with. If you run into any issues, both platforms have solid support teams. There you have it. That's how you send Avalanche from Gemini to Uphold in 2025. I hope this guide helps you manage your crypto more efficiently. If it did, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.